Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I thought I would try something a little bit fun and challenge myself to make a pocket letter in 15 minutes. So it's the pocket letter in 15 minutes challenge. If you guys want to try this too, please feel free. I think it would be so fun if other people did it too. But yeah, so I have a pocket letter sleeve and this is the only thing I've got going. So I haven't pre-planned anything. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. I haven't cut down any papers. Nothing is done, and I just really want to challenge myself and see how far along I can get. So usually I'm a pretty quick crafter, so we shall see how this goes. So I feel like 15 minutes is definitely a challenge. I don't think I've ever made a pocket letter that fast, so I'm gonna go for it. So if you guys want to see how this thing turns out and see just how much of a disaster it winds up being, just keep watching. All right guys, so I have my timer set to 15 minutes. And we're gonna see how this thing all works out. Okay, so are we ready? I don't know, I feel so scared. Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh, okay. This is so funny. All right, so I'll probably fail, but that's okay. And I'm gonna try to keep my phone here so you guys can see what I'm doing, but I don't know how that will wind up working out. So let's see, let's grab some papers. So I already have some kind of going, so I'm gonna just grab those. Be like super quick. Black, sure, why not? Pineapples, okay. That one's fun, yes. I think that's plenty. Okay, let's go with those. All right. Okay, I'm super stressed. Super duper stressed. All right. Let's make some cards. 2 and whatever. Alright, 1. Oh my gosh. Okay. How wide is this though? Because 2.5, 2.5. I think. I don't know. Okay, let's just go for it. All right. There. And there. Awesome. Okay, cool. Got 2 of those. Let's do black. Why not? How wide is this? Oh my gosh, this is so stressful, you guys. You don't even know. Please tell me that you're gonna do this project too, so I do not feel so alone in my stress. Okay. I feel like I'm wasting so much time on this stupid paper. Okay, so we have, how many is that? 5. All right. Six. No, where? Oh my gosh, okay. I'm sorry if you guys can't hear me or if I pause in talking. I'm just super duper focused. Laser beam focused. Okay. Where was it? Right here? Is that right? Is this one too small? Did I go one too small? Oh no, it's just naturally too small. What? Okay, one more. All right. 2 and whatever. 3 and whatever. How many more do I need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, one more. Okay. Paper's done. Alright, so I've got all these. That's what I normally like to do. I really don't like these. Oh my gosh. Oh well. Okay. What I normally like to do is kind of try to arrange things. Okay, that looks good. Let's start adding stuff. Okay, so actually I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through some of my die cuts and there you go. And just pull out some that I think will look good on these different things. I think I'm just gonna do it kind of all at once. That way it will all work out. Okay, looks good there. Some flowers. Okay. Some blues. This is so stressful. This one's really pretty. Okay, maybe you can go up there, little dude. I feel like my boxes are not helping the situation, so just want to be difficult. Okay. Oh, this little guy is really adorable. Where will he go? Right there. Okay, cool. Oh my gosh, this box is being a pain. Why? Why are you being a pain? Who knows? Green? Sure. Okay. TikTok. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is not the best idea I've ever had. Okay, I feel like I'm missing a couple things. Ooh, but you know what I could do? I have these kind of all ready to go, so maybe I'll just use one of those in one of the front pockets, and that could kind of help decorate it a little bit. I'm gonna look for stickers. Kind of pre-plan some stickerage. All right. We can use some of those. Sure. Okay. Yep. Yeah. Okay. I'm just grabbing a whole bunch. Actually, maybe I could use like one of these hearts on there. No? Okay. Alright. Oh, sorry guys. The noises. The noises. Alright, so I have a bunch of stickers. So let's start going ahead and gluing stuff down. I feel like, oh my gosh, it's already 9 minutes in. Okay. Do that. Why did I do this to myself? I do not know. Okay. That one looks kind of okay. I don't know, maybe we should add some little stars to it. Jazz it up a little bit. Alright, you look good, friend. What are we gonna do with you though, dude? Could do like a big flower. Maybe some washi tape. Maybe these hearts would be cute. On top of this pink. Okay. Something like that. Not sure I'm digging this anymore. Maybe we could just do the flower. I don't know, I feel like the flower's kind of strange. Maybe not you, friend. Let's see what else we have. We have this ticket. That's kind of cute. Let's do him. Yep, this is gonna be great. Cool, yeah it is. It's gonna be amazing. All right, what else? What else can we put on this one? Ooh, maybe a sun. This sun sticker. Okay, this one I already kind of know what I want to do. Sorry if you guys can hear background noises or anything. I usually try to edit that stuff out. And since I'm not editing this, it's just how it's gonna be. All right, that one looks kind of similar to that one though. Maybe we can do something like that. Okay, what else am I gonna put on this one though? I don't know, I didn't think it through. I didn't think it through, you guys. We could do cool. Sure, okay. So let's do these middle three. I'm gonna set these aside for right now. We'll come back and do jummies in a moment. I think I'm gonna put this clock on here because I think that's kind of funny. And this is a timed challenge. Like right there. Oh no, I'm out of tape. Oh crap, okay. This one, do you have tape in you? Yes, okay, cool. All right. What else did I want to do on here? Some balloons be cute, cherries, I don't know, get out of my face, dumb thing. see here. Little swimmy suit's really cute, but I already have a swimsuit. This one's kind of adorable. Yeah, I don't want any of those. Okay, what else do we have? We have a pineapple thing, bananas. I don't want any of those. What's in here? We could do the hello. That'd be kind of cute. Hello. All right, you can go there, friend. You're gonna go with you. What was I gonna do here? I don't remember. Did I have an idea for this one? I don't think I did. I don't think I did, you guys. Let's see what we can do. I feel like I'm failing. Oh, she's cute. You could do her. Sup, Schmel? Killing it. Killing it, girlfriend. Alright, what did these look like? So that looked kind of like that. So I already have washi tape there. Because I kind of wanted to put her on something. Maybe on the happy thoughts or live colorfully. Let's do happy thoughts. It's like her shirt is like made for this paper. It's crazy. Okay. Oh my gosh, I have 4 minutes. Oh, this time is getting away from me. Okay, so I got those. You're gonna go on there. All right, let's do these last 3. So I think this one I'm just gonna slide in there. I think this one I'm just going to pop on the front. Oh my gosh, these guys are all out of tape. Do you have tape in you? All right. Okay, guy can go on there. I need something on the front of him. What are we gonna do? La La Land. Okay, and then this little guy. I feel like this needs washi tape. Under 3 minutes. Oh my gosh. I'm failing. I'm failing. I'm failing. I'm failing. And I thought I was doing so good. Alright. You little dude can go there. Okay, so we got all those. Now we need jummies, because that's just what I do. I think I'm just gonna stick with pink jummies because that'll make it life a lot, not these ones. Because, oh no, oh my gosh, what is even happening? I don't even know. So I thought these were not connected, but they are. Okay, well, I don't have time. Okay, let's just do this. Alright, so you're done. Need some gems. Okay, this one I think is just gonna go in the sleeve thing. These ones are gonna be like that. You guys, oh my god. I'm running out of time. It's not even funny. Okay. You need some jummies to make you come alive a little bit. All right, got those. How are these gonna go? Like this? I kind of like it like that again. Okay. Cool. All right, 1 minute. 1 minute. I have 1 minute. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm not gonna do well on this. Okay, you're fine. Okay, so where's my pocket letter sleeve? Ah! Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's go, 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 go. Get in there. Oh my gosh. Because I would really like to put some washi along its edge here. Oh my gosh, get in the pocket, you dumb piece of paper. Why? Okay. Now you get in there. You. Oh my gosh. This is so stressful. Maybe don't try this. I don't know. It's kind of fun, but it's also kind of stressful. Is it really 15 minutes is all? Because I feel like that went by way too quickly. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna have time for washi on the side, am I? I really want washi on this side. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna let myself finish the washi on the side. Okay, did it. All right, you guys, so this is my finished project. I think it turned out really cute, especially considering that I didn't have very much time to work on it, but I think it's still really adorable. Yeah, I'm kind of second guessing this pineapple paper, but as we all know, I did not really have much time to go through papers and pick stuff out. But I think it turned out pretty cute, right? I don't know, like I would be super happy to receive this. I think it's kind of okay, right? I don't know. But anyway, it was a lot of fun. I had a good time trying to challenge myself. So that's what matters, is that we have fun crafting, right? So if you guys give the 15-minute pocket letter challenge a try, definitely let me know down in the comments. Also let me know if you enjoyed this video and if you want to see me challenge myself again to a certain time limit for a particular project. Just leave me your suggestions down below of what you'd like to see me do next if you enjoyed this. But that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!